Guys, and welcome back. Well, I don't know if this is good news for Sean Diddy Combs or bad news, but it's an update on the Sean Diddy Combs. Yeah, remember the guy Sean Diddy Combs, P. Diddy, Puff Daddy? Yeah, well, he's still in jail, of course. But a judge says that he plans a speedy ruling on whether charges can be dropped against him. Now, a federal judge is planning a quick ruling on whether to dismiss two prostitution-related convictions against Sean Diddy Combs. Now, the decision will determine if his sentencing will proceed next week as planned. Now, if you don't remember, in July 2025, a jury convicted Combs of 2 counts of arranging interstate travel for people to engage in prostitution, which is a violation of the Mann Act. Now, he was found not guilty on more serious sex trafficking and racketeering conspiracy charges. Now, the conviction stemmed from Sean Diddy Combs arranging paid sexual encounters referred to as freegaws for his former girlfriends, including singer Cassie, and male escorts. Now, Combs' lawyers are arguing and asking the judge to dismiss the conviction, arguing that the Mann Act is a racist and sexist in origin and was misapplied to Diddy's case. Now, they claim his actions constituted commercial voyeurism, not the exploitation the law has intended to address. Now, prosecution also argued, federal prosecutors asserted that the conviction should stand because Combs arranged the interstate travel for prostitution, an activity they say comes with associated violence and drug use. And also, they made Diddy come to trial today with his prison clothes on. Yes. And the judge said that Diddy's lawyers didn't convince him why he needed to be in civilian clothing when there's no jury. This was just a hearing. So he had to walk in there with his prison clothes on. Now, you could see his daughters going into the courtroom and coming out. So I know they were there. Now, as Diddy entered the courtroom, he smiled, waved to his supporters, and touched his heart before taking a seat. He did not speak except to greet the judge. Now, at the end of the hearing, Diddy blew kisses to his family, which included his mom. You know, Mama Janice was there, his 3 daughters, and his 3 sons. He also said, "Thank you all for coming. I love you all so much. Every hour, every day is me getting closer to going home." Yeah, there's Mama Janice. And you know, this has really aged Mama Janice. I mean, it really has. Because you're never a monster to your mama. Won't know what matter what you do, you know. And this is her only son. And you know, she has really, you know, to have her son locked up. You know, Mama Janice loved Diddy. We don't know nothing, but if we don't know nothing, we know that Mama Janet loved her son. So, you know, this is really weighed on her. It really has. Yeah. Now, Combs' sentence is scheduled to be sentenced on October the 3rd. And that's next week. Now, his defense has requested a sentence of 14 months, which, with time already served, could lead to an immediate release. And prosecutors have indicated they will seek several more years of prison time. Now, after this ruling today, the judge stated he would issue a ruling very shortly on whether to toss out the two remaining convictions. Now, Combs will remain in jail until sentencing, as the judge has denied him bail twice since the jury's verdict. Well, I don't think it's good news. I don't. I'm sorry to be a party pooper. But I think the judge, that's why he's saying I'm going to give a speedy ruling on whether the charges will be dropped. Because he ain't finna drop those charges. I really believe he going to let those charges remain. And they're going to sentence him and he ain't getting out. I don't think he gonna get out. I think he gonna have to sit behind them bars for some more. You hear the prosecution is trying to get the prosecutor is trying to get years. So I don't think it's gonna be easy as time served. I don't know, but that's what I think. Now you know what I'm gonna say next. What y'all think? Well, that's it for me. Thank you so very much for watching my video. I hope that you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, in parting, be blessed, y'all.